Hey guys, I'm having an issue on my car where my AC or my heat will only work when on the highest setting. I'm going to show you what hopefully is a fix. Stay tuned. After research online, I found that my problem has to do with a resistor, a blower motor resistor. So this resistor regulates voltage, so when it's broken, it only allows the highest voltage. Apparently it's a pretty common issue. So now we're going to try and fix it. And we'll start behind the glove box. All right. You want to empty out your glove box first because it's going to spill all over if you don't. So, if you see right this little thing right there, that is the resistor. And I've got like a hole underneath here that I can reach up into to get that. So we're going to take this off. There's one here and one here to take out. They're both 8mm. So let me unscrew these. Finally got this thing out. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. Supposed to be some sort of snap here. Oh, there we go. Let's replace it and see what happens. So, here's my new guy. There's a new model. Here's the old one. This one looks shinier. So, plug that in. We'll hook this back in. Pop that back in. It only fits one way. So once it's in, then put your screws back in and start screwing it together. I'm not gonna let's screw them in. I'm gonna do this off camera to finish up. So we can back out here. We'll make sure this stuff is tucked back in. Squeeze. And there we go. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's try this. Look at that. There you go. We did it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.